I think I belong here because everyone supports you and everyone is in the same position and has your back going through the whole situation that we're in right now.
I think there are like various involvements and different things that I'm able to do on campus with different organizations, different offices. I find my place by just being a part of the community, I think. I find the opportunities, or they really find them, or they present themselves to me. And I think part of that is just about being a part of the BG culture.
I love what BG represents, diversity and its cultures, and I feel like that's something I represent a lot, so it just makes me feel like I belong here.
I believe that I belong because I have found a great support system through the friends and organizations that I've joined, so I really feel that that has helped me with feeling like I belong on campus.
I represent where I'm from here, because usually where I'm from, most people don't go to college and stuff. They do other things, so I feel like I'm setting an example for others back where I'm from.
I just feel like I fit in well with the atmosphere, and it gives me opportunity to stand out.
Honestly, since the second I set foot on campus, I felt like there was just a lot of outreach and people really made you feel welcome here. And I love their education program. I feel very supported, and I just feel like I really belong at the university.
There's such a family atmosphere, and from the moment I stepped on campus, I realized that you're a Falcon for life. So I think from the moment I got here, I felt like I belonged.